Ready to ride the waves of DeFi like a pro without spending countless hours glued to charts? First, head over to Dex Screener. The Pairs section is your starting point. Look for tokens with high trading volume and significant price movement, indicating strong interest and potential for profit. Now, filter and sort. Use Dex Screener's tools to filter by blockchain, volume, and price change. Sort by volume to see what's currently buzzing in the market. Higher liquidity generally means easier entry and exit. Dive into the details. Once you find an interesting token, check its info. Look at the number of holders. A growing number might suggest increasing adoption. This Holders tab is where the magic begins. Examine the top wallets. Are they consistently buying and selling specific tokens? This is your clue. Track their transactions, copy their moves. Note the tokens they're trading and the timing of their buys and sells. Analyze their strategies. Remember, copy trading carries risk. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use Dex Screener as a tool, not a crystal ball. Now, go forth and conquer the decentralized world, armed with Dex Screener.